Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the task being process issued in Capcut in 2025. If Capcut is stuck while exporting, uploading or saving a video and it keeps saying one task being processed, don't worry, this guide has the solution. Let's fix it step by step. The error usually happens when a previous export or upload didn't complete. Here's how to cancel it. First of all, we have to open Capcut on your PC or mobile. Go to the task center or tap the export process progress icon if available. Here you can see this, and look for any unfinished or pushed task. Here you can see this. Then tap cancel or delete the task. There's an option. Once cancelled, try exporting or saving your video again. Sometimes the app just need a quick refresh. Close Capcut completely, and on PC right click Capcut in the taskbar and choose quit. Here you can see this. Here you can see this quit options, and reopen Capcut and check if the task is still showing. If it's still stuck, move on to the next steps. Clearing the Capcut cache can often fix the issue. Open Capcut and click your profile picture or go to settings. Here you can see this the settings option and find the cache management. Here you can see the cache size is 2.61 GB, and click the clear and or delete. After clearing the cache, restart the apps and try exporting again. This issue is often caused by bugs in older version of the apps. To fix that, go to the Google Play Store, Apps Store or Capcut official websites and search for Capcut and tap update if available. So now here is this. There are settings and update. Now you can see the update version is Capcut B6002291. After updating, reopen Capcut and check if the issue is gone. If nothing else works, try reinstalling. On PC, uninstall Capcut via control panel or settings apps. Restart your computer, download the. Now you can see this. Here is the settings option and uninstall these apps. Now you can see this, all the installation apps are here. You can see the Capcut. Install the Capcut and restart your computer, download the latest version from capcut.com and reinstall it. After reinstalling, the one task being processed message should be gone. Now the latest version is downloaded, and that's it. This issue in the future by not interrupting exports or uploads midway. Keep the apps update regularly, clearing your cache and unused draft, and that's it. That's how you fix the Capcut one task being processed issue in 2025. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if you helpful for this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.